This is correct igbo soup. Some goat meat head and beef. Chopped onions and pepper. Stockfish. Knorr cube. Salt and all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna stir very well to combine. Cover and allow to cook. Now let's check on the proteins. Let's give it a quick stir. Doing well. I'm gonna add some tripe and catfish. Pepper to your taste. Crayfish. Rinse. Add enough water for the soup. More water. I'm gonna add good palm oil. Now stir. Cover and allow to come to a boil. I'll be eating spinach. 3 bags. 3 jumbo bags. Now let's check on the soup. At this time I will add my achi powder. Little goes a long way, so be careful on how you add your achi. Add gradually until you achieve the right consistency. I'm gonna cover and allow it to come to a boil. Now let's check on the soup. Give it a good stir. Look at that consistency. So lush. I'm gonna add a little bit of ozeza seed and my ogiri. I'm gonna stir, cover and allow it to cook more, just for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll come back to it and add our vegetable. Now let's check on the soup. This is my blanched spinach. Let's check. I'm gonna add my grilled mackerel fish. Give it a good stir. And I will go ahead and add my blanched baby spinach. I'm going to go in with more crayfish. I'll give it a good stir. A very good stir. This is pot of goodness. Very natural. Very, very natural. The taste is so natural and yum. Taste for salt and adjust if needed. This is absolutely goodness, you guys. How I wish you can have a taste of this soup with the goat head. Oh, the aroma. With enough ogiri igbo, you guys. Well, I'm just showing you to make it for your family because it's so good. Allow to cook for 2 minutes and it's done. 3. You guys, our soup is ready. I'm gonna off the heat and make pounded yam. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely yum. The goat meat head. Try it in Achi Soup. Goes well with Achi, Ede, and Ofo. This is our favorite soup here. Achi, Ede, and Ofo. Our local soup. Time to make the pounded yam.